Hi, today I'm going to share with you a very interesting thing I have seen on Amazon. That is the Nixplay Smart Digital Picture Frame 10.1 inch. Actually, it is very interesting to see something like this, and the ratings for this product 7,543, and the answer to the questions almost 600. The price is 100, almost $140, and with this price you save $40. That is almost 22%. First, let us see this. Let us watch this video.
When you're far from home, you can't stop thinking of your family.
Nixplay lets me know that he's safe out there.
I love getting instantly uploaded photos of life's big moments.
Knowing how much he wants to be with us is encouraging.
Being 7,000 miles away from home is tough, but it helps to have something to remind you of why you're here.
Also this video for Nixplay.
When you're far from home, you can't.
Let us see some photos for this product. The product is a very good gift. It says here, gift the top-selling frame and stay connected. Share photos and videos from your phone or by email to the Nixplay frame. Wherever it is, a great gift for new parents, grandparents, newlyweds, college kids, or families. Spirit is separated by distance, or families separated by distance. Share photos and video up to 15 seconds, privately, safely. Send photos and photo playlists to your loved ones. Frames and invite others to share pictures to your frame. Create a photo sharing network for your family that is private, secure, and GDPR and CCPA compliant. Manage the frame using your phone. The Nixplay app for iOS and Android gives you full control over your frame. Connect to Google's Photos to ensure your frame is always up to date. Dropbox, Facebook, and Instagram also supported from website. A wall-mountable smart frame that is truly smart. 1280 by 800 HD IPS display, auto adjusts to portrait or landscape placement. Motion sensor turns the frame on/off automatically. Works with Amazon Alexa. Just ask for the playlist you want. Support when you need it. Our customer service team is here to help should you have questions about your Nixplay smart frame. We have landed the hundreds of thousands of happy customers, and we want to do everything we can to make you happy with your frame. This is what Amazon says about this product. But actually, I don't buy anything before I see some reviews from some people who bought the product. So I go down here. Yeah, I see lovely photos, lovely images for this product, with very lovely photos for happy people. Let us see. And we go all the way down to see some of the top reviews from the United States. Here some reviews. So they have always given 5 stars, 4 stars, 4 stars, and 5 stars, and almost every review give this grade. Let us read one of them. Here it's top reviews from the United States. ABP gave 5 stars. Excellent investment, especially with non-social media attached husband. So here is reviewed in the United States on September 29, 2019. Size 2K, dash 9.7 inch, verified purchaser. He says the Nix was a great way for my non-social media attached husband to see the photos and videos my daughter and son were posting. They simply send the photos to the Nix email address, and the pictures show up on our screen. I especially love the ability to adjust the number of pictures that get down, latest 100, 200, 500, 1,000, or all. I'll often reset it to 100 so my husband will see all the recent photos sent. It has a large capacity, and even pictures emailed can have captions. Date and time can be shown on the screen as well. Small added benefit, but still a nice feature. The remote is convenient. Motion detection means the frame isn't on all the time, and the sound from videos won't wake us up at night. You don't want to put this anywhere near where you sleep, as it will wake up anytime it senses movement. We have it in our kitchen. Easy to set up, and the Nix having its own email address has simplified our ability to keep the pictures up to date. I don't know why anyone would choose any other smart frame. This is simply the best. we see here below 614 people found this helpful. I suggest that you spend some time to read the rest of the grades here, or the reviews, I mean, to make sure that this is the right choice for you to buy as a gift or for yourself, for your family. I hope you like this video and give me thumb up, share the video, and subscribe to my channel. I will leave below the video the link to this product if you like to go through it all. Thank you very much for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.